Well, I want the war to be over as soon as possible, and I hope that the strike brigade will make it a lot faster. So I want to be more effective. That's why I chose it. Well, of course, I'm happy, but nobody likes training because it's hard, and we don't rest a lot. Always training, doing something. Sleep and train, that's all what we do.
As soon as the war started, most of us went to the draft office. At the time, there were too many people, and they could not accept all of us.
Маленьку кількість людей приймали.
Раз, два. Як почуваєте? Я не хавав.
I was ready to fight, but it turned out I was sent to the border with Transnistria. After that, an opportunity arose to join the Storm Brigade, and I decided to try. I wanted to join even more because I want revenge, as harsh as it may sound in the 21st century. We have to get revenge for all our people, for the murdered children. We have to. Who, if not us? This is a realistic opportunity to push back this barrage. The Storm Brigades can do it. Who else, rather than the Storm Brigades, can go forward? This would be gratifying and a huge achievement.
Це реальна можливість дати відпір цій навалі. Ну, це штурмові бригади, а хто як не штурмовики йдуть вперед. Ну і хочеться таким чином себе реалізувати.
Ворог прийшов на їхню землю.
No, it is not difficult. The enemy came to their land, to Ukraine. People were born here and live here. We provide training, and the people are like sponges. They soak everything up like water.
Повторюю, вони мотивовані, тому вони вчаться дуже швидко. Готові.
The main thing is they want to, and it's important for them. They're highly motivated, and they learn quickly.
30 їхніх.
They're ready. One of our soldiers is worth 30 of theirs.
На зброю не дивимось.
Я перейшов, тому що тут підготовка, ставлення, хороші умови.
I joined this brigade because I can get excellent training here. We're treated well. We have good conditions. We can learn a lot.
Так, точно.
And I think with this brigade, I will get to the east sooner.
Помститися.